You're not mistaken. We're in paradise. This is the US Virgin Islands. From St. Thomas to St. John. From Buck Island to Lovango Cay. Francis Bay to Megan's Beach. From sunrise to sunset. We sailed the US Virgin Islands. Next few videos are all about our experience sailing the US Virgin Islands. It was not always smooth sailing. We had a storm. We faced the rain. We were met with wind and waves. Our shallow keel cat struggled sailing upwind. We lost the GoPro, and the outboard died in the middle of total darkness. However, in the end, it's about blue sky, turquoise water, sandy beach, swimming with turtle, enjoying sunset, and of course, sailing between islands. We absolutely love it. Stay tuned.